Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show how to bring an image forward in Wix. This is useful when we want to adjust the layering of elements and make sure our image appears on top of others. Let's get started. On the Wix dashboard, let's look at an example. Suppose we are already in the Wix editor and want to adjust our image because it's overlapping with another image. When two images overlap and we want one to move backward, here's what we do. We simply right-click the image, then click Arrange, and then move it backward. As we can see, it is moving backward. If we right-click the image again and then move it backward, it will move even further back. We right-click and move backward again. Now the image has been moved backward. It will not overlap anymore because it will always stay behind the other images. If we want to bring it to the front, we just need to click Arrange and bring it to the front. And that's how we bring an image forward in Wix. With this simple adjustment, we can control our layout and designs more precisely.